Hi, my name is Adam and I work for HP. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing, setting up, and installation of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer. The first thing we're going to do is open the box. The first item inside the box is the setup poster, which is the basic setup instructions for your printer, similar to what we're showing in this video. Next is a caution flyer about the ink. This flyer discusses the hardware warranty in other countries. Next is the Get Started guide, which includes information on additional features for your printer and has some basic troubleshooting. This is the installation CD for both Windows and Mac. If in the future you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at 123.hp.com. Here's the printer's power cord. We suggest using the power cord shipped with your printer. Next in the box, you'll find a complete set of setup cartridges. These cartridges are required for the initial setup of your printer. Replacement cartridges bought from the store cannot be used for the setup. At this point, remove all packing materials from the top of the printer. Rotate the box so it sits on its side. And then grab the plastic bag containing the printer. You can then slide the printer out of the box using the bag as a handle. Set the box aside for recycling. Remove the styrofoam end caps from both sides of the printer and then set them aside. As with the box, all in-box items are recyclable. Go to hp.com/recycle for more recycling options. Slide the bag off the printer. Next, remove all the visible blue tape and clear protective plastic from around the printer. The blue tape is specially designed to not leave residue or permanently stick to the printer. Remove the last piece of tape holding the ink cartridge access door down. Lift the ink cartridge access door and remove the styrofoam sheet. Slide out the input tray and remove the tape and cardboard support. Slide out the paper width and paper length guides as far as it will go. Then slide in the input tray. Go to the back of the printer and remove the last pieces of blue tape. Verify there are no remaining packing materials inside the printer. Now you can connect the power cord, remove the twist tie, and then plug the cord into the port. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. HP recommends always using a wall outlet for best performance of your printer. Remove the plastic from the printer control panel. Now we can power on the printer. The printer will begin initializing and make some noise. From the printer control panel, select your language. After selecting your language, press OK to confirm. Then select your country or region and press OK to confirm. Set the date for the printer. Use the up and down arrows to change the date and then select to advance. Press OK. Then set the time and press OK. Select how you want to manage your printer. For most home users, just select Self-Managed and then press OK to confirm. Touch OK to continue the setup. Now we are going to install the cartridges that came with the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door and let the carriage move into the ink access area. Grab the bundled cartridges and remove the plastic. The order of the cartridges in the bundle might not match the order in which they're installed in the carriage. Slide in the cartridges, one at a time, in the corresponding slot. You'll have to push it until you feel it snap into position. Make sure to match the color on the cartridge to the color on the carriage. With all cartridges installed, close the ink cartridge access door. The printer checks the cartridges and then prompts you to load paper. Slide out the input tray and load plain white paper into the tray. Make sure it's all the same size and type, and slide it in the drawer. Adjust the paper width and length guides, then slide in the input tray. Slide out the output tray. The extender will open automatically. On the control panel, press OK. At this point, the printer will initialize. During the initialization, the printer performs an alignment. The setup process takes about 7 minutes, and a page will print out. Once the alignment page prints, you can remove it and recycle the page. At the Auto Update prompt, select Automatically to receive printer updates as they are released. Press OK to continue. Select if you want to send anonymous data, and then select the location for your printer. Select where your printer will be used and for what purpose. Press OK to verify your selection. Respond to the on-screen prompts for your setup. Press OK. At this point, the hardware setup for your printer is complete. Now you can install the software. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Go to 123.hp.com/setup. From HP's setup page, click Download. Click Run or open the downloaded file. During the installation, Windows might ask to confirm if you want to open the file or allow changes to your computer. Click Run, Continue, or Yes to continue the installation. The HP Easy Start utility files extract and then launch. From HP Easy Start, click Continue. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms, and then click Continue. If necessary, select your printer from a list, or if you have this screen, click Continue. The HP Easy Start utility sets up the network connection between your printer and your computer. Once connected, it will search for available software. The process might take a few minutes. We've sped it up for this video. Select either full software and drivers or basic drivers. HP recommends installing full software and drivers to get the best functionality of your printer. Click Continue. The utility downloads your selected software. Once the software is downloaded, it will extract and then launch. From the software selection screen, you can customize your software installation by clicking Customize Software Selections. Click Next. Browse through the installation agreements and settings. The printer will be set as the default printer. Click the link to change the setting. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms, and then click Next. The drivers and software install for your printer. If prompted to turn on device sharing, click Yes. The software checks the network for your printer. Once the software establishes a connection to your printer, it will configure web services and other settings. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts to set up the software for your printer. At this point, you can also register your printer. You can skip without activating by clicking the link at the bottom. When prompted that your setup is complete, click Finish. The printer software setup is complete. You can now print from your computer or mobile device. This has been the unboxing, setting up, and installation of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer.